Uh-huh. All right. Now I have proof of it. So, to me, it doesn't matter what's going on. I do not really care. I don't care if you're in the hospital. I don't care if you're at a birthday party. I don't care if you're giving birth. Quite frankly, don't care. My responsibility, me, as part of the HOA board member, okay, not just a normal member, board member here, to watch over the neighborhood. Make sure people are following the rules. Make sure the neighborhood looks good. The box, right here. Been watching it pretty much all day. It hasn't left your porch. I saw you drop it out there. The garbage can is literally just around the corner. Why can't you just walk it the extra 10 steps and put it in? Doesn't make sense. So I'm going to give you an additional, what time is it now? It's 5:58. Let's make it 6. You have 2 minutes to get this box off the porch, or you will be fined. Got it? You got it? Okay. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes.